I know many parents have that question in mind, what to do about the child's immunization, whether it is safe to bring to hospital, whether they should do it, not do it. So many questions are there in many parents' minds, so I would like to address some of them. So when we come to immunization, because we know that most of the diseases we cover with vaccines are quite deadly. So we cannot afford to just completely ignore them because of the current pandemic. So when it comes to immunization, I would like to stress that still your child's immunization takes priority. So government does say essential medical services should run. And they have already said that immunization falls under essential medical services. So you should get your child immunized, but which ones take priority? Suppose if your baby is newborn and you're for the very first time going for vaccination at 1.5, 2.5, 3.5 months, those are called primary immunization, because for the very first time baby is getting vaccinated. So those immunization takes priority over a 2-year-old child who is coming just for a booster. So those children you can delay them, but only for by a few months, maybe like couple of months. If you're going to delay, should not be a problem. But if it's a newborn and taking for the very first time vaccination, you have to take them on time. So what as a hospital we have done is, we are running, and including clinics, these are instructions which everybody is strictly following. We do only vaccinations and well babies at one point, and all the fever and sick children are seen at a different place. So you're not going to be mixed with other unwell children, and all vaccinations are done by appointments, because we do know that what time you're going to come, so everything is done around it. There's a lot of gap between two patients walking in, so you're not going to be standing and waiting in an overcrowded place like how it was functioning before. These are steps which are taken, and when you're entered, both the parents or the caregivers along with babies will be screened. So when we screen like that, we do know who are unwell, who are sick, who have symptoms of fever, cold, cough. They are filtered off and they are actually sent home or asked to come to fever clinic, where they'll be checked separately. And if all that is not there, only then you're going to enter into the hospital premises, because it's going to be done as a loop, as a single loop, and very quickly. So you just come, take vaccination and immediately leave without having to wait much or come in contact with anybody much. It is still safe to take immunization for your children rather than avoid it totally. So that would be my recommendation as of now. If you specifically want to know which vaccines, then DPT, HIV, hepatitis with pneumonia and flu, they all take priority. Typhoid can be delayed, and hepatitis A can be delayed. We try to combine with the other vaccines which are due during that time. We try to give multiple vaccine at a single setting, so you don't have to frequently visit. You can also combine well baby visit with vaccination, so both are done simultaneously. The rest of it, including MMR, should be taken in time. Thank you.